Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Happy Monday, November the 4th, the beginning of a new month. Final 2 months of the year. I can smell the turkey in the oven, the pecan pie. All right, let's get into it. If any of you lacks wisdom, let him ask of God, who gives to all liberally and without reproach. What a great thing to start out the week with is asking God for wisdom as we approach this massively difficult trading week with uncertainty through the roof. Without a doubt, ask for wisdom. All right, so let's get into it. AM briefing number 296, almost to 300, where together we trade better. We are at MES Futures Trading Room, where there's always another high probability trade around the corner. That's important because it teaches traders patience. If you will just wait, another trade is around the corner. Just be patient. Look for your setup. In our group, you see the typical setup 6 to 12 minutes before they happen. So let's get into it, guys. Tip of the day, uncertainty on steroids this week. If there was a level 10 week, I couldn't envision a more level 10 week than non-farm payroll just happened. We're rolling into Monday. This is non-farm payroll hangover day with election tomorrow, FOMC Thursday, and then CPI next week. Oh my goodness. I basically just went over the news drivers. The week progressively gets harder. I think today is a green day. It is NFP hangover day. It's really a sandwich day between NFP and the election. Tomorrow's trading, who knows? It could just be regular, normal. And then the after hours is where the fireworks start occurring. 1,000-point swings would not be insane. I know that sounds ridiculous, but you never know. It's just worth putting in your head that we could see a 500-point move in a heartbeat in either direction. And so when you see things like that, what do? You just stay out of the way. You just stay out of the way. In 2 weeks, things should look much different and kind of back to normal trading. It's around the corner. It's okay. We don't have to trade today. We don't have to trade this week. You could use the 1 micro, 1 loss rule every single day this week, and you would not regret making that your rule, in my humble opinion. All right, so reminders. I try to do this each Monday. Remember, there is an archive of all of these AM briefings if you want to see them for some reason. Let's say you were thinking about joining our group and you wanted to go back in time and look to see what I said and what happened. That is on microstrader.com. There are timestamps below. When you join the group, I beg of you to earn your badges. And there is a brand new free foundations course that is, to me, just chock full of great basic information for new futures traders, especially if you want to do prop trading. I have a whole section in there on prop trading. Strong levels were updated yesterday, and so make sure you update that. Now, this is a week where today's tip of the day was going to be levels schmevels type of week. Levels schmevels. Levels mean nothing. Forget you. There's forces way greater than any level I would draw on my chart. So that goes back to the 1 loss, you're done. But even more important than that, if you take a loss, you do not make things worse. You just get out. It's no big deal. Is 6 points going to kill you? Is 10 points going to kill you on a micro? It better not. So just don't make things worse. And if you want to check us out, grab yourself a Zoom pass. In fact, for the month of November, I'm giving out a free Zoom pass for those who register for the Foundations course, which is free. Not bad, not bad. So our group scheduled today, 30 minutes before the market opens, we will do our mental training. So join us as we go through the best loser wins is what we're going through right now. So fantastic. 10 minutes before the market opens, our daily reminders. And then hopefully we'll be done or managing a runner. So where are we? Well, I did a weekend video that I don't need to go and repeat. We are certainly RTH, inside of RTH, and inside of this RTH. We are tightening up is what we're doing. Last night we gapped down. I was hoping we made it down to 29. If you're not in my group, that's a level that you might want to put on your chart. I was hoping we made it down to 29 and then came back in. But all we really did is we took this London liquidity here, laddered back. I did not participate in this move. One of my traders did, made 10 pointer last night. So starting out the week with a beautiful 10-point trade. So we do discuss in our group and Discord any after hours trading that might interest us. I wanted a deeper pullback than just grabbing the London liquidity, but that's all we got. Oh, well, I missed the move. You don't need every move. You don't need all the move. You just need to wait for the next high probability trade around the corner. So where is everybody else? Well, looks like we're in the middle of Friday's range also. Upward slanting VWAPs. Three of us are above our VWAPs. Looks like the halfback is going to be the difficult level. And if I had to put my bull bear line for today, it's here. On a higher time frame, consult your strong levels to see where I believe the bull bear is on a high time frame. But for trading today, this level looks like the most promising. You got two RTH highs up here. What a delightful target. Of course, we have many levels below us as well. Why don't we come down here and grab those, and then let's rush to all-time highs before the end of tomorrow, which brings me to a topic. I have continually said for weeks that election is here. No one would be shocked if they made all-time highs before the election, which they've done many times. Um, so don't fall into the, because I had a trader tell me for certain or for sure you said we were going to make an all-time high. Negative, Ghost Rider. I've never said for sure we would do anything. So please don't read into that and say, "Up, we got to make an all-time high here in 2 days." I wouldn't be shocked if we did. I'm priming that in my brain at this point that is within high degree of not certainty, high degree of probability that that's what's going to happen. But what do I know? I really don't know. So please don't take anything I say as certainty. Um, and so know for sure, but we've hit an all-time high multiple times going into this election. I believe that has been satisfied. Will that happen between now and Tuesday? I have no clue. I do know that the expected move this week is about equal to the all-time high.
Stay green, my friends, and to learn more about our group, go to microstrader.com.